Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook jumping around. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook jumping around, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter here. Sorry for that. You will go to click Facebook. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.